Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product designed to help you keep your space organized, neat, and efficient. The Vtopmart 4-pack clear stackable storage drawers. Whether you need a solution for your skincare collection, bathroom essentials, or pantry organization, these bins promise to help you declutter and streamline your home. These storage drawers are made from durable, BPA-free plastic and offer a sleek, transparent design that allows you to easily identify the contents. Each drawer measures 7.5 inches in depth, 6 inches in width, and 7.6 inches in height, perfect for organizing items like skincare bottles, lotions, beauty supplies, and medicine. With a stackable design, these organizers can be stacked together to save space and maximize your vertical storage. The clear, shatter-resistant material ensures that these drawers are both functional and long-lasting, with added durability against scratches. Now let's talk about how these perform in real-world usage. Setting them up is simple. Just stack them and place your items inside. The built-in pull-out handles make accessing your belongings a breeze, and I appreciated the inclusion of silicone pads. These pads help the drawers slide out smoothly while preventing the outer frame from shifting, which is a small but thoughtful touch. They easily fit under sinks, on countertops, or in cabinets, offering a versatile storage solution for multiple areas of the home. However, I do have a couple of points to mention. While the size is ideal for most skincare and bathroom items, you might find the drawers a bit small for larger bottles or bulkier objects. Additionally, while they are designed to be durable, I wouldn't recommend placing them in the dishwasher. Just a quick wash with soap and warm water is enough to keep them clean. In terms of value, these drawers are reasonably priced for the quality and convenience they offer. They provide a tidy, functional storage solution without breaking the bank. However, if you're looking for something with more customization options for different sizes, you might need to look at other brands that offer a wider variety of sizes or modular features. When comparing to other storage solutions, the Vtopmart drawers stand out for their stackability, clear design, and overall practicality. While there are alternatives on the market, few offer such a compact, space-saving option at this price point. The build quality is solid, and the design blends seamlessly into most spaces. As for customer service, I haven't had direct interactions with the company, but Vtopmart generally has a reputation for delivering reliable, functional home goods. Their products typically receive positive reviews for quality and practicality. For those seeking cheaper alternatives, you may find similar plastic storage bins at big box retailers, though they may lack the stackability or the sleek design that the Vtopmart bins provide. To wrap things up, the Vtopmart 4-pack clear stackable storage drawers offer a functional and affordable solution for organizing everything from skincare to kitchen supplies. They excel in versatility, ease of use, and stackability, though their size might not be suitable for larger items. If you're looking for a tidy way to declutter your space, these are a solid choice, especially if you value transparency and durability in your storage. Before you go, don't forget to give us a like, hit that subscribe button, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from Beautyistic. Thank you for watching. If you've already tried these storage drawers or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. You'll also find the link to get your own set in the description box. Until next time, keep your space as beautiful as you are with Beautyistic.